Gajendra Singh Shekhawat, Myntri Sorkar India, Bapet Yakatana Jal Shakti, Haka Sautrik Unaiving, Ulawan Jngoh Ekari Bhoi District, Haka Program Balatip Kumka Aspirational District Program ADP Hanongpo. Haka Jingyalang Balalong Ha District Library Nongpo, Ladonlang Udisi, Uarpit Upadhyay, Usayat Mohammed Andalib Razi, Commissioner and Secretary of Forest Environment, Animal Husbandry and Veterinary, Ujoram Beda, Member Secretary State Council for Science, Technology and Environment, Kihe Sorkar Jilla, Nakaniga District, but ki officer Nakiwi pat Kitana Trekam ka Sorkar Meghalaya. Nakaliang ki Borsan Char District, kila aya ka kaipot hau new Myntri ka Sorkar India, ye ki scheme padang ya chakmat kentup ye ka health and nutrition, katanat puli puthi karep karyang katung so tung pai ki kam jingri ki kam penroi nongkendong but ki bahap hapok ka aspirational district program. Hakani kasngi la samru ek sampisa hapok ka payment ecosystem services PS shakisa bukandai tali ki village community facilitators lingba ka Meghalaya community landscape project ki badai ki kampane pensa ek ding ki set ban penjernam ye kamariang bat ban penne pensa ek telong umdi haki shnong ki thau jongkani ka district.
Glad Case initiative where we have gathered to express our commitment for the nature, to express our commitment for the natural resources, to enhance and upgrade the status which was compromised because of the negligence of the mankind and the human in the area. To restore it and to deliver to the next generations or generations coming. I express my sincere gratitude and I thank District Administration and District Collector of Bhoi for giving me this opportunity to interact all of you. See the gentleman, the young man, he asked me to tell the story of my experiences. I have been assigned the responsibility by the Prime Minister of Jal Shakti Mantralaya. Before 2019, when Honorable Modi ji came in the power based on the local requirements, but in our nation, Meghalaya is the first state to take out in the state level, entire state level initiative. Sir, but still I would say Government of India is also practicing payment for ecosystem. Sir, if you see the 14th Finance Commission, from 14th Finance Commission onwards, a certain weightage has been kept for forest cover. For 14th Finance Commission it was 7.5% and for 15th Finance Commission it is 10%. So, Government of India is rewarding states based on the forest cover. So, Government of Meghalaya is extending that to the communities. The communities are owning the forest. So the relevance to Meghalaya is, as we discussed yesterday, Meghalaya is 6th scheduled state and 75% of the forest land is under forest cover. However, in last one decade there is a continuous degradation and it is being reflected through the communities are also coming up and sharing their thoughts on how the springs are being drying in the recent years. And also, sir, when we work out the economics, the cost of afforestation is way higher than if we do the same in terms of conservation, preservation. So, sir, and also BCS, we discussed yesterday also, sir, through our plan project, it was initially for 400 villages. Later onwards, we extended to the entire state. 3 BCFs per village are being trained on natural resource management plan, springs, using water tracer for testing the quality of water, sir, and also
our village has faced scarcity of water. So through the coming of claims in our village, we have solved this problem, and that we have 21 hectare of community forest. Within this forest, we construct, we take this control trenches and then recharge ponds. And then down the catchment area, Clem has given us a check dam, and through this check dam, we supply the water to the whole villages. And then most importantly, these days, we solve the problem of scarcity of water.